Hello people, so this is my third video of the day, and people, as of today I finally Netflix, I kind of downloaded or whatever on my phone. I mean, that 1 month free trial thing, but it looks like I might enjoy Netflix next month also. Like, I'll probably start subscribing to it or whatever. But the thing is, people, today, no, I learned something very important, that sometimes the things that scare you, it's, you might as well just stand there and face it, and or rather, like, I mean, what happens is half our lives we spend brushing things under the carpet, yeah, and then finally the whole thing would just kind of I won't say explode in our face, but whatever, it's like. So that was something I learned today. Like, see, I had to, soon after work, I went and got this thing for my phone, which was some sort of memory storage, 32 GB. 32 GB, yeah. So, yeah, I was dreading doing that whole thing, and even now, apparently, tomorrow I need to go and get something to reinstall my phone and all of that. I need to do that. But yeah, 32 GB good is good. And after this, I'm going to be watching a movie on Netflix, and I can hardly wait for it. It's 8 in the evening. It's my third video, but yeah, we're getting there. So on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.